this question or everything that you will hear right now is going to be heard by President Noynoy Aquino, because the question for these people here is addressed to him. Since we are in the society where technology is just, chasing us, and we're like so advanced already, so TV Patrol is just making us think, and now we want to say something for Noynoy, our president, beloved president. We don't want to disrespect you. We love you, man. But this is the question that I'm going to ask to each young people here. What do you want to say to President Noynoy Aquino if you are in front of him right now?
Stop the corrupt.
Okay, say it again. Say it again.
Stop the corrupt. And
Yes.
help poor Filipinos.
Yes. Okay. Next, let's ask this girl here. She's hiding her beauty. If you are in front of President Noynoy Aquino right now, what are you going to tell him?
Kasi yung gusto istorya kung nasa tubangan ni President Noynoy Aquino.
And remember this, your answer will determine if he will hire you, or he's just gonna say you're just part of the problem, or you are a solution, or he will say that. Okay, what do you think? Okay, if you're in front of him. So, unsa imong isulti kung nagatubang kaniya karon?
Noynoy,
In Tagalog.
kung saan ka man ngayon, nandito kasi.